Tip number 6. Always ask for a helping hand when using a ladder that's too heavy to handle. Tip number 7. Survey the work area for any electrical lines. Use a fiberglass or wooden ladder if possible. And always keep a minimum distance of 10 feet from any electrical line. Tip number 8. Once an extension ladder is set up, make sure a 4-to-1 safety ratio is established. For example, if you set up a 32-foot extension ladder fully extended, then the distance from the vertical surface to the shoes on the extension ladder should be 8 feet. Many extension ladders have a guide on the label to go by. Tip number 9. Before you start climbing the ladder, make sure it's leveled, secured, and stabilized. Never use makeshift devices such as bricks, wooden blocks, or even a wallet to level out any ladder or to gain more height. Install ladder levelers if needed on unleveled surfaces. Tip number 10. Proper safety signs or cones must be in place if the ladder needs to be used in an area where a hazard exists, such as in front of a doorway where someone can knock the ladder over, including you. Tip number 11. When climbing up or down a ladder, always face the ladder and have 3 points of contact, such as 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand. When reaching out at the side of the ladder, make sure to not overextend by keeping your body within the center of both ladder rails. Tip number 12. Never step on the top 2 rungs, including the bucket shelf or the rear section of a step ladder. Tip number 13. Never leave an extended ladder unattended. One never knows when a gust of wind can come out of nowhere and blow it over just as you turn the corner, or if neighborhood kids are outside playing and decide to climb on it. Tip number 14. Last but not least, when your task is completed, store the ladder properly to prevent any damages.